Top Crypto Exchanges 2021. Since the DeFi summer and the massive wave of decentralized applications looking to emulate traditional legacy financial services, the most common protocol that crypto investors have seen is the huge influx of crypto exchanges into the space. Crypto exchanges are arguably the most important financial service across the space, allowing users and investors to swap, buy, and sell various tokens and differing crypto assets, opening the floodgates to a completely new breed of investor. As of now, there are currently hundreds of various crypto exchanges across the decentralized landscape. Many offer similar products and opportunities, but certain key differences should be noted. Great to see you once again at No Cap Crypto. Today, we'll be taking a very close look at the best crypto exchanges available today that you should consider trading in. Pay close attention and make sure you watch till the end of this video, as we've saved our most surprising pick for last. Number 5. Coinbase Pro. One of the biggest and most well-known exchange entities across the entire crypto space. It's arguably Coinbase Pro that lowered the barrier of entry and allowed many casual and novice investors an easy entry into the often overcomplicated world of trading decentralized assets. Entering the crypto exchange sector as far back as 2013, the platform has since grown and expanded brilliantly and still sits as one of the largest and most trustworthy exchanges across the industry, currently maintaining an excess of 35 million users and has seen an excess of 220 billion assets traded through the platform since its conception. The Coinbase project continues to see growth with the continual addition of exciting new features to the platform. Most recently, Coinbase opened a round of private financing and ultimately secured a cash injection of $300 million, ultimately valuing the entire project at a whopping $8 billion. Currently accepted in over 100 countries, the sign-in process is relatively simple. Although as a centralized exchange, there are KYC requirements. After a while, official identity documents will be required. Number 4. Uniswap. Now, across crypto, there exist two primary types of exchanges: decentralized, or DEX, and centralized, or CEX. Centralized exchanges, much like Coinbase Pro, offer the custodial transfer of funds. You have an account with your funds in them, but the assets are not truly your own. They're run through a centralized corporation. Although Coinbase is a multi-billion-dollar company that's been running successfully for many years, there's still the chance that the project could collapse and the team may run away with the many billions of funds that they actively manage. Many seasoned crypto investors tend to avoid these centralized exchanges, as many of them also look to verify the cleanliness of assets and so through requisition identification documents. This KYC, or Know Your Customer process, is certainly very appealing in ensuring that crypto assets weren't previously used in illegal activity. These are all seriously unappealing to many seasoned crypto lovers. The birth of decentralized exchanges have managed to avoid all these issues and created a less regulated and more accessible way for investors to directly invest in whatever projects may be listed. And the largest and most popular of this DEX is definitely Uniswap. Built on Ethereum and allowing users to swap ETH and any ERC20 token through the platform, with no company holding your funds and no identity requirements whatsoever. Although considerably less trustworthy, the rise of DEX is upon us, with Uniswap reporting a higher transactional volume than Coinbase. Unfortunately, Uniswap operates within the Ethereum ecosystem and is subject to its exuberantly high gas fees. These transactional fees are slowly reaching unfeasible proportions, but the ETH 2.0 rollout that's currently underway should look to rectify these issues. Number 3. Binance. Currently sitting as the biggest crypto exchange on the planet, with a whopping $2 billion in average daily trade volume, Binance can be accessed in almost every country around the world. There are literally countless trading tools available for every user of the platform, alongside a range of financial instruments, from the largest crypto spot market, marginal trading, derivatives, staking features, and countless more, collateralized crypto loans, a bank card, the list goes on. Making an account on Binance is completely free, and the platform doesn't require any forms of identification in order to get trading. However, certain account features are locked until additional identity verification is given. Compared to Coinbase Pro, Binance offers insanely low transactional fees and also provides incentives of trade for BNB, the native Binance token. Adding funds into your Binance account in order to start trading is near free if not completely free. However, withdrawing funds accumulate costs that vary according to the currency of the funds and crypto withdrawn. Now, before we get into our top 2 crypto exchanges you should consider trading on in 2021, we need to ask, hey, are you liking the video so far? If so, I have good news. Make sure you like and subscribe to No Cap Crypto because we release videos like this every week. Also, comment below and let us know about what crypto exchange you want to hear about. And make sure to stay to the end of this video because our top 2 picks will surprise you. Number 2. Kraken. Easily one of the most accessible and easiest to use crypto exchange platforms, Kraken appeals to the most novice investors and looks to make the process as simplistic as possible, as well as offering a plethora of services that can even appeal to firms and corporations looking to get involved within crypto. This decision to focus on the institutional investor sector propels Kraken to new heights, with the platform also offering in excess of 70 currency pairs as well as one of the largest collections of coins with new assets added constantly. With a strong aim on providing quick and immediate financial trades alongside a number of investment tools and features to help investors further grow their portfolio, another fantastic exchange with mobile features and a PC trading platform as well. Number 1. FTX. Founded in 2019, FTX appeals more towards the more serious and advanced crypto trader. Although it can seem a little complicated at first, we definitely recommend reading up and improving your investment game. The sort of tools and features FTX offers users is extremely desirable and could see you earn bonus returns on your holdings. The FTX exchange has raised in excess of $8 million in external funding in order to further grow and expand its ecosystem. In fact, Binance Exchange actually partially invested in the FTX platform. With hints of a strategic partnership on the horizon, perhaps there's more to the FTX exchange than many realize. FTX allows users access to spot markets and the largest futures market across crypto, as well as a number of highly attractive sector representative index funds that investors can directly hold. The futures and index marketplace alone are fantastic reasons to get involved and start trading through the FTX exchange. In closing, it's clear to see that every exchange listed today, be they centralized or decentralized, offer unique and highly attractive features depending on the investor. Perhaps you don't trust custodial and centralized exchanges that require identification. Perhaps you want to trade exclusively in futures or index funds. Maybe the convenience of withdrawing through a debit card is what you're looking for. Perhaps you want access to them all. Let us know what you think about today's collection of the best crypto exchange platforms open right now in the comments below. Keep in mind, I'm not a financial advisor and that this video exists purely for educational purposes. Please do your own research and make your own intelligent financial decisions. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on our next video, and I'll see you in the next one.